I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Snapchat. Open your profile and go straight to Settings to save time. Tap Snap Map and enable Ghost Mode to stop sharing location immediately. Choose a duration, 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off, so you control how long your location is hidden. Once done, confirm the toggle and exit settings. This step cuts off live sharing with friends while preserving other app features, making sure your location won't update for the selected period. Next, stop Snapchat from accessing your location in the background so Ghost Mode can't be overridden. On Android, open System Settings, find apps Right Arrow Snapchat, Right Arrow Permissions, Right Arrow Location, and select Deny or Allow only while using. On iPhone, go to Settings Right Arrow Snapchat, Right Arrow Location, and pick Never or While Using. Once you change it, force close and reopen Snapchat to apply the permissions. This prevents passive updates and ensures your chosen ghost. Finish by clearing Snapchat's cache to remove stale location tokens. Settings Right Arrow Account Actions, Right Arrow Clear Cache, then confirm. If friends still see a location, log out and back in to force a refresh. If problems persist, update or reinstall the app and double-check system location services aren't overriding your choices. One key troubleshooting tip: verify any linked apps or device-level location sharing are disabled, because those can leak position data even when Snapchat is set to Ghost Mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.